Hey guys, it's time for another video recipe with the wild garlic from the wild garlic series. Today we're gonna prepare some egg paste that we're gonna put on the toast bread or normal bread. So for this recipe we will need 4 hard boiled eggs, 1 small red onion cut in small dices, 50 grams of wild garlic. If not, don't have, use the spring garlic, the green one. 1 teaspoon of dry oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 pickled gherkin, pickled cucumber diced, and 1 teaspoon of mustard and a little black pepper. Yeah, so we're gonna transfer it in this bowl of the composite. First the eggs, and we're gonna mash them with the fork. I've mashed the eggs that need to look like this, like scrambled eggs a little. Now we're gonna throw all the other ingredients inside the bowl, and we're gonna mix it together till we get a nice paste. Okay, I mix all the ingredients and I make it like this. That's how it's looking, my paste, the egg paste. See how nice color it have. So thank you very much, guys. You need to put this in the fridge for at least 1 hour before serving. You can put on the normal bread or toast bread. And if you like this video, you can check out my other videos, recipes for my channel. Also the all spices I'm gonna show you sometime, some spice blends. So till next time, I hope we're gonna see again in the future. And if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe and to press the notification bell, so you're gonna see when I'm gonna upload a new video recipe. So till then, see you later.